go to our Photoshop. Now we click on File and New. Then make our width 1,700 and our height 1,800. But the width should be longer than the height. We leave it at 1,700. Click OK. Now our file is open. Then we click on the background to unlock it and click OK. Now we click on our text. Now write Gina. At first you change your font style. I leave it at this font style. Then I leave it at 72 pt. Leave it at bold. Leave it at strong. I write Jillian Pixels Collection. Gina. Now, I'm going to convert this to smart object by right clicking. To place Ctrl C. Alright. Now I'm going to change my layer. I'll make the background color black to make the text appear realistic. I'm going to hold the Shift F5 and I'll fill it with black. I'm going to change my layer, my text layer color. I'm going to add color overlay. I'm going to add gradients. Click on the gradient box. Now I have a golden color. I have saved recently on my presets. You can watch my tutorials on how to make gold color. Now I click on my gold color. And I click on my gradient emboss. On control. And I change this. Chisel hard. Change the depth to 1000. Increase the size to 74. I go to this. Double click on my layer. I'm going to click on the stroke. I'm going to put it as gradients. Click on the box. Then I'm going to click on the light gold. And increase the size. Now I'm going to click on my outer blue. And I increase the size. And I click OK. Finally, I'm done with my gold. Very easy and simple. And now I'm going to add some sparkles by creating a new layer. I name it sparkles if you want. Now I'm going to click on the brush tool. And I right click. It's on Starburst. I leave it at large. And I change the pixels to 200 pixels. Any style, depending on any style you want. I'm going to be posting it on the edges. I'll first double click on this box. Then I use my color picker tool to pick the light color part of the gold. And click OK. Don't need to add too much. Yeah, I'm done with my sparkles. Now I'm done with my sparkles. These protest effects can be used on mock-up logos